There and welcome back to my channel. John here from Romania. I like to talk about online entrepreneur and make money online. Feel free to look around the channel and consider subscribing with the bell notification on. $1,120 path under 30 minutes get paid by means of PayPal straightforwardly to your financial balance via Skrill or bank transfer. You can do this with simply your smartphone. You can do this from any place on the planet. You can do this without putting away any cash. You won't need to sell anything. You won't need to do any sort of partner showcasing. With the goal, that's the reason it will be 100% sure and well disposed system. Furthermore, I'm demonstrating how one individual did it in route under 10 minutes and how you can do this also. In any case, directly before we jump into that, in the event that you haven't as of now, make certain subscribe to this channel and hit the like button, since I'm posting recordings about bringing in cash online each and every week. So on the off chance that you hit the subscribe button, consequently at whatever point I have another first system like this one to bring in cash on the web, so you can be one of the first to utilize that strategy. What's more, that way not exclusively will it be out in front of your rivals, obviously you will get the most cash flow, and all things considered, will bounce straight into my laptop so I can clarify you everything. Okay, we now within my PC, and this will be the primary stage that we will utilize the principal site. They will really pay us over $1,000 for path under 30 minutes of work. Presently, as a matter of first importance, I'm demonstrating how some individual did it and how they conceivably got considerably more cash flow and how to do them well as in a short time. At that point I'm demonstrating how you can do that also. What's more, those of you all that stay right to the finish of the video will gain admittance to the superior apparatus which will accomplish all the work for you. So you can actually take you even under 2 minutes to set up everything and fundamentally accomplish no work and still make some better than average measure of cash. Yet above all else, how about we go to the shrinkearn.com. So this is now shrinkearn.com, and we have discussed this stage before on this channel. However, we have never utilized it such that we will utilize it today. So shrinkearn.com, what this is? Well, this is a pay-to-connection shortening link. So you can approach here and you can glue your long URL in this crate, and you will in this device will abbreviate it for you. You'll simply grab that abbreviated connection. Furthermore, when you share it, and at whatever point somebody taps on your connection, they will be first talked to a presentation page for advertisements. And afterward they will have the option to skip those advertisements. What's more, when they skip those promotions, they will be redirected to your long URL. So as a matter of first importance, go to the shrinkearn.com so I can show you precisely how this functions. Go to the site, and afterward click on the sign up button that will be directly here, and join by making a username, by entering your email address, by making a secret key or recomposing a similar secret phrase. By hitting this container. I'm not a robot. Furthermore, you can consent to the terms of use and privacy policy, which you can peruse by tapping on a portion of these two catches. I as of now have a record. So I will simply tap on I as of now have an account. What's more, I will rapidly sign into my record so I can give you how this functions. So for instance, I will tap on new abbreviated connections. I can abbreviate a few connects to give you how this functions. So if in the event that they've been, for instance, www.google.com, I can abbreviate that URL by tapping the abbreviate box directly here. Furthermore, this is the abbreviated URL. Now at whatever point somebody taps on that connect, I will get paid for them tapping on it. They will be sent to the presentation page for those advertisements. They will skip the promotions. What's more, when they skip the promotions, they will be diverted to Google, the goal URL. Let me give you the amount you're really going to get paid per click. You jump on your connection. So on the off chance that we return to the official page on the shrinkearn.com, we will be ready to tap on the distributor rates, and that is demonstrating that we can get settled up to $20 per 1,000 clicks. So everything on here is totally free. It's totally allowed to make a record, and they are going to pay you up to $20 per 1,000 clicks that you jump on your connection. So individuals don't need to purchase anything, they don't need to tap on those promotions or anything like that. They simply need to tap on your abbreviated URL, skip the promotion, and you will get paid. And you can see that it does where directly on the nation your snaps are originating from, yet it can go from somewhere in the range of $3 up to $20. So what I found to work the best and what I saw as a normal number is around at $7 per 1,000 clicks. So which website individuals are making around $7 per 1,000 clicks, which is a taken extraordinary. Currently, let me give you how you can really get taps on a particular URL and bring in cash on complete autopilot. So I'm really going to give both of you various approaches to do this. Yet, before we get into that part, in the event that you haven't as of now, make certain to drop a like to this video, leave a comment, since you realize that when I see you leaving preferences and remarks under my recordings, I realize that you are appreciating them, and I realize that you're getting an incentive out of my recordings, which is by the day's end, the most significant part. So in the event that you do value me transferring week after week, bring in cash online techniques and week after week business thoughts, simply hit the like button and leave an approval. That is all I'm requesting. And in the event that you have any inquiries or essentially need some assistance, consistently don't hesitate to leave a remark down underneath, on the grounds that I will peruse each one of those remarks and I will attempt to answer at the earliest opportunity, or when I see your remark. You can connect with me on Instagram too at work_smart_not_hard. All things considered, the primary traffic hotspot for your connections to bring in cash on complete autopilot and to really make over $1,000 in under 30 minutes will be youtube.com. So here's a proof, or an individual that I found to do that did this appropriately. What's more, that made a considerable amount of cash. So you can see that they made a video like best screen recorder application for Android smartphone. It's a 3 minutes long video that got more than 1 million perspectives, 1,600,000 perspectives. And afterward, in their portrayal, they have this download interface, avoid the advertisement, acquire. And afterward, here's the connection for that application. So at whatever point somebody results in these present circumstances, they're keep on the best screen recorder for Android smartphone. So they need the application, they viewed the advertising, and they clearly need to download the application now so they can go to the site. More than 1 million individuals can go to this link, click on this, and they can download the application. Obviously they will be first sent to the greeting page for those promotions. When they skip it, these guide his channel is going to bring in cash, and they're simply going to peruse the application and they will simply download the application and bring in cash with the goal. That's the way it's even success win circumstance. So you are fulfilled, the viewers are fulfilled, and the guys from shrinkern.com quiet are fulfilled in light of the fact that they're parting the advertisement income with you. Also, that is the means by which you all really advantage from this, which is extremely incredible. What's more, I truly love this technique. So how about we figure it out? On the off chance that this video got 1,600,000 perspectives, 1,600,000 individuals that are searching on the best screen recorder application, clearly they need to download it. Be that as it may, suppose all out of 1,600 individuals, only 10% of them really made a move and introduced the application and tapped on the connection. That is as yet going to be 160,000 individuals, and on the off chance that you crunch the numbers, 160,000 increased by the normal number of $7 per 1,000 ticks, that will be $1,120 in unadulterated benefit for totally free, only for making a 3 minutes in length video. Presently for this person is most likely doing path under 10 minutes, since all you have to do is simply open up your smartphone. For this situation, it resembles the best screen recorder application for Android version. You can simply open up your smartphone. What's more, you can simply go to the Google Play Store, gave him like this is the application, blast, download the application to your cell phone gadget and simply give him how it functions in like under 3 minutes. Also, that is it. And afterwards simply leave your connection in the portrayal. You can see there's no altering required. You needn't bother with any altering aptitudes, you needn't bother with any altering programming, you don't need to pay for those creators or anything like that. What's more, This is just one of the approaches to do it. You can film a wide range of recordings. Also, obviously, the more recordings you film, the more odds of getting more snaps you have, so you can film, like for instance, best well-being following applications, perhaps best information stockpiling, as possibly best better applications, possibly best screen recorders again, or everything, any sort of instructional exercise that you can film that is overly easy to make. You can fill them in here, and just at whatever point individuals need to make a move, when they need to introduce something that has been appeared within that video, they should tap on your connection, which will be in the depiction. This is an incredible method to make a ton of easy revenue, since, perhaps in a couple of months, somebody will make advances on this video, still a great many individuals will be resulting in these present circumstances video each and every day. Also, this individual is going to continue making automated revenue from this without selling anything, without doing partner showcasing, and without depending on the other income. What's more, obviously, they're not being before the camera, which is incredible on the grounds that they know to look. You folks are camera shy, and that is alright. You don't need to film your face, you needn't bother with any costly gear for this. You can truly simply begin doing this with your smartphone. You can simply record your screen record, without a doubt, the sum of, as I stated, possibly the best well-being following applications or the best information stockpiling applications. Simply show them the application and reveal to them the connection is in the depiction of that YouTube video. Furthermore, they will watch the video and they will tap on it. It's unquestionably going to take you route under 30 minutes. Simply discover some application just to record your screen for like a few minutes and simply transfer it back on YouTube. It's that straightforward. Furthermore, try to incorporate the same number of watchwords in your title as you can. So you can have the best screen, for instance for this video, for this model, they said screen recorder application for Android. In any case, on the off chance that they had this is a similar watchword in their portrayal too, they will rate positioning considerably higher and they will likely get more perspectives. At that point, likewise, try to have pleasant labels. Do get a decent pleasant labels to get a decent thoughts for labels and watchwords. I do suggest you introduce the free application called vidq.com. I for one use vidIQ. It can assist you with getting more perspectives on YouTube and rank better on YouTube. It's a completely free application which you can introduce and simply include as your Chrome extension, which is extremely incredible. With the goal, that's one of the approaches to do it. Make a basic YouTube instructional exercise and afterward leave your connection, your abbreviated connection, in the portrayal to get cash on and complete discernible. What's more, this is a completely free way, and this is my specialty. Ridiculously suggest in light of the fact that you can truly take you path under 30 minutes and it can make you a ton of cash and a great deal of easy revenue that is simply from one single video. Also, in the event that you continue making various recordings each and every day, you have considerably higher possibilities, since when YouTube sees that you are predictable on YouTube, they will begin advancing your recording significantly more to an ever-increasing number of individuals. People will continue getting increasingly more cash, obviously, and don't be sluggish in light of the fact that individuals work like 8 hours per day for an everyday place of employment, so as to make simply like a few or $4,000 per month. They work for another person 8 hours per day, each and every day, simply made $3,000 to $4,000 per month. What's more, presently you get an opportunity to work for yourself. You can accept your will as shortly, however it's going to get you much more cash flow. There's no supervisor to reveal to you when you have to do it, how you have to do it. There's no manager at all disclosed to you where you have to appear. You can truly simply be sitting in your love seat or with your smartphone, recording this video post in our YouTube and continue bringing in cash and really continue making automated revenue while you rest. With the goal, that's one of the approaches to do it. In any case, on the off chance that you would prefer not to make those YouTube recordings, in the event that you would prefer not to film those YouTube recordings, you would prefer not to post anything on YouTube, and afterward, here's the top-notch instrument that I guaranteed you toward the start of this YouTube video. So this is a device that will really get you free traffic in under 45 seconds. So you should simply get your connection and glue it over to this instrument. This is a cloud-based programming. So you don't need to introduce it, and it will be getting your free purchasers traffic, and now since we're not selling them anything will be significantly simpler for us. However, even you have some paid offer, perhaps an associate offer, or possibly you need to sell your own items, that this apparatus can even assistance you too, for that it works incredibly extraordinary. You can see that it will get your free Barnes traffic in under 45 seconds. It's 100% beginner friendly. So all you have to do is, as you stated, paste your URL in this creator and it will accomplish all the work for you. It's just one traffic and SEO arrangement. They will likewise have $100 every day instructional exercises included, so they will even give you how you can make over $100 per day with this traffic, so the connection shortening administrations, as well as with some different choices also. No month-to-month charges ever, so it's a one-time installment, so indeed, it's not free. However, in the event that you utilize the principal interface in the depiction down underneath, there will be my member connection, and I will procure a commission on the off chance that you utilize my offshoot interface, yet I snatched the absolute best arrangements for you. So as I said, you can get it for like under 20 bucks and have the lifetime access to it. Lead the way of life you want. 180 days ensure they guarantee that you will either get results or they will pay you $250 out of their own pocket. So not exclusively will they give you cash back today, yet they will likewise give you $250 out of their own pockets. It's actually an easy decision. What's more, I truly love this apparatus. By and by, that is going to be the primary connection in the depiction down underneath. However, in the event that you would prefer not to put away any cash whatsoever, at that point certainly you can begin with a free traffic source. What's more, that will make YouTube recordings and positioning them when you do it. It works incredible, and we can make you a great deal of cash, and furthermore you can depend even on the other income and make some additional pay also. I trust you got some an incentive out of this video, and on the off chance that you made, sure to drop a like to leave an approval, and in the event that you haven't as of now, make certain to buy into this channel and hit the subscribe button so you don't pass up any of the new records. What's more, in the event that you didn't care for this strategy, at that point try to tap on this video that is on the screen right now, on the grounds that within that video, I will give you how you can make money every single day and work on complete autopilot and appreciate some detached benefits indeed while you rest. So unquestionably make certain to hit on that. What do you break down you within that video? John from Romania, I wish you all the best.